Okay guys, I want to show you guys something. So we got this 21 Nissan, what is it, a Nissan, I forget what this thing is, Kick, I guess. And they said that when the car gets hot, they said the car will rev in neutral and park, but when you put it in reverse and that, it won't rev. But right now it's revving. They said it has to get hot. Okay, but I noticed something, and I'm pretty sure I found out what the issue is. So I just logged like everything in here. I scanned it for codes. It had like some weird codes and something. But look at our battery voltage right now. Sometimes I'll even see it hit 10 volts, because you can see how low it dipped right here. That was 10 volts. Let's see, let's put it in gear. Look at that. Look how... And I wonder... Look at that. Look how low we got. 9.6. Look at that voltage. And so let me show you guys what I found. I wonder... Oh, no throttle, guys. Okay, it had just... So if I go to lock, it'll actually kill my throttle right there. I can't even press... See, now it's responding. Yeah, so when it's under 9 volts, I can't get anything. There you go. The steering wheel gets hard and it won't even go. Let's go back. Let's see if we set any fault codes, because I cleared them all. The only one we had was in the AC. So we didn't even set any fault codes. They told me that this car had no fault codes. So, I'll show you guys what I found. So I came up here. I was like, oh, I'm just going to check the basics when I saw that. This was tight. So, this was tight. My problem is, like, I checked this one. This was tight. But this one over here, not tight. Oh, look at that. It just stalled. Let me start this back up. I want to show you guys how hot this thing got. Let me bring up my thermal camera real quick and I'll show you guys how hot this got. Sorry guys, it didn't record audio. So I'm screen recording now. So look at that. That is 400 degrees, that terminal. And if I push it, it stalls. 400 degrees. So let's tighten this terminal up and we'll see if the temperature drops. It'll probably drop a lot. And our problem's gonna go away. So I guess Nissan, when they put the trans in, didn't tighten up the battery terminal. There we go. There we go. Let's start this back up. Car started up. Look at that, you can already see the temperature coming down. So we'll let this cool down and then we'll look inside the car. So when that died, must have set some codes. Because this had like some steering codes and stuff. Look at that, we got internal malfunction and all that because of this thing dying. Lucky the terminal didn't melt. Oh, we're not gonna get rid of this code now. There we go. They told me when the car came here it had like a pressure fault. Let's see, I bet you our battery voltage is going to be higher now. Oh, look at that. We're at 13.4 already. We were never that high. 13.6. Look at that. Turn the wheel all the way. Look at that, 12.8. It's the max. I mean, is the lowest. There you go. I bet you that was the issue, guys. Loose battery cable. And that looks like it came up here to this fuse box. Yeah, so this looks like a powered heaters, motor, ignition, header, fan, CVT, whole bunch of stuff. So it looks like it goes to. There's that wire like loops over, comes up. So yeah, loops over and goes up. I'll get my thermal camera out, we'll check the temperature on that again. Look at that, guys. It cooled way down. Huge difference now, guys. So, hope you guys like this one. See you later.